They say really, not say yes, say it's very difficult. But whenever you do your show for your Facebook page, always tell people, say you get YouTube, they go subscribe. You know, I can't encourage her like that. She can say, okay, no problem. So what's it gonna happen at that time?
Mommy love the clients. You see your life. You see as Chema disgrace. They enter you on public. You too they brag. That is the reason I don't know as I'll take put on me. I may YouTube or Facebook for no verse for my words. You are just too wayward and useless woman to the core. You are a disgrace to a woman. I'm telling you, Mumu love. You see your life. You just see your life. Now so you they brag, they threaten people. Empty vessels make the loudest voice. You too they brag. You they threaten people. People will never know you now. They see you like one kind of better person. They don't know say you are the most useless woman on earth. Imagine see what woman they tell a fellow woman say she can never have a pikin. I put her like that. I don't want my YouTube give me strike. You don't understand. Very any woman. I be a gear. Woman where they put her husband for a grand. Time. Frank Victor, bring your address. You can't tell who you don't when they boss your life no go, your life no come. See, and this is just the beginning of your disgrace. So just the beginning. Now so disgrace goes to enter your body. Anybody who they carry their name from one native daughter to another. As you tell the plan, so you go take the turn against you. Now your picking, now the destiny of your children. The way you they wish your children, now you they wish other people. I not cause your picking, but the way you take cause this girl for this video, it really touched me. I'm not they used to cause people. Anybody where they cause people children, now not children, now they cause automatically because no more. God bless you all. My people, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to share this video. Leave your positive comment below this video. I will see you guys on my next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you make.
If I call it the wicked barren woman, I stand by that word. Tell me you want a child, it will never come to you, Jennifer Collins. I stand by that word. I stand by it day, night, noon, midnight hour.
They say if men were God, my darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today na about Jennifer Collins. So now say this life no balance. This life, you get the way it's a day. Una see Jennifer Collins say how God can't change the story. How God take change everything for her. I am so happy for her. I am so happy, like seriously, my darling people. Una see, after enough monkey, after enough say audio lover say she don't go born for a life. Today she never born her. Shame never catch devil. Shame never catch enemy. Una see, my darling people. E get one video where she do before she go born pikin. Make una watch this video with me, my darling people. Una will come see how the story. Cause Jennifer talk the story, how everything they start. He said now when he use pikin, he laugh her. Now that same month that she get belle. Mona watch this video, my darling people.
She say really, not say yes, say it's very difficult. But whenever you do your show for your Facebook page, always tell people, say you get YouTube, they go subscribe. You know, I can't encourage her like that. She can say, okay, no problem. So what's it gonna happen at that time?
Mommy love the clients. You see your life. You see as Chema disgrace. They enter you on public. You too they brag. That is the reason I don't know as I'll take put on me. I may YouTube or Facebook for no verse for my words. You are just too wayward and useless woman to the core. You are a disgrace to a woman. I'm telling you, Mumu love. You see your life. You just see your life. Now so you they brag, they threaten people. Empty vessels make the loudest voice. You too they brag. You they threaten people. People will never know you now. They see you like one kind of better person. They don't know say you are the most useless woman on earth. Imagine see what woman they tell a fellow woman say she can never have a pikin. I put her like that. I don't want my YouTube give me strike. You don't understand. Very any woman. I be a gear. Woman wey dey put her husband for a grand. Untan. One copy. Frank Victor, bring your address. Who agbe. He can't tell who knows. Even when they boss mama your life no go, your life no come. See, and this is just the beginning of your disgrace. So just the beginning. Now so disgrace goes they enter your body. Anybody who they carry their name from one native daughter to another. As you tell the plan, so you go take the turn against you. Now your picking, now the destiny of your children. The way they wish your children, now you they wish other people. I not cause your picking, but the way you take cause this girl for this video, it really touched me. I'm not they used to cause people. Anybody when they cause people children, now children now they cause automatically because no more. God bless you all. My people, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to share this video. Leave a positive comment below this video. I will see you guys on my next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you make.
If I call it the wicked barren woman, I stand by that word. Tell me you want a child, it will never come to you, Jennifer Collins. I stand by that word. I stand by it day, night, noon, midnight hour. I stand by it. You are a wicked barren woman. Never. It can never be well. When it comes to childbirth, it can never be well with you, Jennifer Collins. And that has caused your heaven to be closed. That has caused your heaven to be closed forever. Now me talk on. May you live in a born way where you will remain. You are a wicked barren woman, and that you shall remain forever. You will remain barren, wicked woman forever. I say it. If I would they talk, I know they bear my mouth, they talk. God punish devil when I take bear my mouth talk. You understand? Then that is my prayer for you day and night. My spirit stand by that. And you are not letting any other stand by it. Everything that follow me on this world as a twin, stand by it. That so be it for you. You will remain what your condition forever. I say so. Wicked soul like you, Jennifer Collins, wicked barren woman, idiot. You said God will never. It will never happen. Now God, tell me make I say it will never happen. I'm not just speaking on my own. My spirit here with me that it's God that thinks it will never happen in your case. When Lolekia posted my own mama picture, my own mama daughter picture, you were saying right on. You were applaud. You were happy about it that they posted the Peking. Because that's the same thing they do. You were happy. That basic Peking, the publication, and you feel somebody like you, God have not cursed you, and you see somebody like you, God have not totally abolished your womb, therefore condemn, use abortion to condemn, and you see say God have not shot it totally. You believe so? By so doing, you are wicked, you are cursed. In fact, children, their spirit will only inform children. For heaven, say no go there, no go there. This woman is wicked though, see the treat other children. See, they cause other children, and they say desire children. The children, when they see you, they run. I mean, you don't understand these things. When they see you, they run because you are wicked. When you they want the king after the damage of the abortion, what you do? When you use native concussion, they do. Now God show me that is in a concussion. Concussion where you take remove belly and destroy your womb. No. For I know about you, I pray about you. I go play your TV for me. Go play a CD with the slot enter. I go play it for me. I'll know you. When you say, "Are you God?" No. Wait, now I can't tell you what I be before you go believe what I decree upon you, wicked barren woman, and that you shall remain forever. I said so, and I stand by it. You think I am joking with you?
Baba. Yes, so my beautiful people. I wanna do. This is your girl Jennifer Calling TV Talk Show. I wanna do. Now, good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. Anyway, I'm gonna see the voice record of one evil lady called Audio Sandra Edokbolo. She dey stay for Spain. I go analyze am small for una. Many people know the story wey go on between me and she for this social media. This lady, I don't know how. She's not my sister. She was not my friend. Neither she was my enemy. Okay. Now only social media, now they see her, which they do as stupidity, which she demand. The fight will not fight her. Okay. The full video go dey my new YouTube, Jennifer Calling TV. Go watch her, but I will just analyze her so more. Which they use a man say they cause only daughter where she gets the vet where she born for Orobio. Ma, what it happen my people? Now this my house now deal where this woman cry come meet me. Now she called me. Say make an airpan for YouTube. Now YouTube matter. Now she fights me for. Since I did this social media, me and she never fights like we have personal quarrel. I never step on her toes before. I never talk about a matter direct or indirect. You understand, guys? So she came to me. Say one lady called Monica, they mock her, say she not the YouTube. She said she knows say I'm very good for YouTube. Now so okay, no problem. She can't explain to me, say she fair get YouTube. Now someone else now you open that YouTube for her, but she don't know the password anymore. I encourage her to open another YouTube, which I also told her the rules and regulations about YouTube. Say if you never get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watchers, you know, fee go live through your phone. She say really? Now say yes. Say it's very difficult, but whenever you do your show for your Facebook page, always tell people say you get YouTube, they go subscribe. You know, I can't encourage her like that. She can't say okay, no problem. So what it can happen at that time? I did work. I was doing nights. Okay. She go call me. Sometimes when I'll come back in the morning for work, I'm tired. I want to sleep. Okay. So when I will wake up, I'll come call her back. If I see her miss call, she'll say na YouTube something, make her help her. This woman where they talk so where her mouth sharp like this, so she don't know anything about Google. She don't know anything about YouTube. How to download something. She's very dummy. As you just see her so. She's very dummy. I can't help her. Until one day I went to Nigeria. She called me normal call. She don't know say I live in Nigeria because me and she talk today. The next day now I go Nigeria. After I not my friend. I always say I want to travel. I always spend only 10 days for Nigeria. I rush down go do something. She called me normal call. They never really dark. Say she go buy a laptop or something like that. Say she don't know how to do. Would that make she coming for video call? Now I say no problem. She coming for video call. Answer the call. It come like say the laptop which she buy not get camera. Now I say this kind of laptop no fit use and take go live because it not get camera. She come say okay, she'll go return her. Maybe she collect another one. I say no problem. So whenever they call me all the time, if she don't know anything, she'll say me she coming for video call. I'll say okay, because me, I don't get anything where they hide from my house. I know they council house. I know they call government property. I know they rent place. I know they mortgage house. You understand? That's okay. I just free my mind for her based on say na Edo person where I see they see for social media. Because for this life, nobody will know the ask somebody favor. Okay. She will call me. I don't know say she was looking for information. And they look my background, they look my environment. I don't know. You understand, guys? So I can't help her do a lot of things for this YouTube and everything. You know? It can't get one day, she called me to say, it never reached where they would pay her for YouTube. Now I can say, you don't reach 4,000 washers. She said she don't know how to do it. Now I said, okay. I couldn't try to tell her where to go, how to check how many washers she don't get for YouTube. You know? She's very dummy. She said she don't know. Again, she said me she coming for video call. Not no problem. She coming for video call. I can't put on through. I can't say and say she don't pass 1,000 subscribers. Now only small remain to reach 4,000 washers. At that time, and people, she was fighting everybody on social media, fighting who don't fight her. They call people names. Okay? Now I say you'll soon reach 4,000 washers. You can't say okay, no problem. I can't show her how to do thumbnail, how to put picture. Sometimes if she want to enter YouTube, picture where she want put how to do thumbnail, she will send me picture, say, my lady, I beg, help me arrange this picture where I want to do thumbnail. I don't want to do it. I was okay. I will still create my time. I will see help her. You know, if I don't finish, I will send and give her for WhatsApp. I was doing all these things with all my heart, and God knows. You can't get one day again. She want enter live through her mobile phone. She don't know how to enter live, only to go live with her phone. She don't know. A day here, we are sitting here. She called me. She said, my lady, I beg you. Don't think why they do this thing since. I don't feel do more. And she be want enter live through her phone. And I say, easy now. Just click live now. She said she don't know how to do it. Me, she coming for video call. And I say, fine. She called me. I still put her through. And she continue enter live for YouTube. Me no know say that day she dey cause Evie and the rest of people. You know, as I enter live, say na cause she dey cause. No, I just come out there because she wants to have views. She's just making trouble. And I don't help her do everything finish. I have to mention name. Yeah. She can go tell Pemi, Osula. That time, Penny and Evie, they quarrel. Penny can go enter a cage. Now she take cash Penny that time. People will know what they talk about. What she go to do Uzobu for Spain. Best way they abroad, she go to do Uzobu. Sacrifice for middle of the night, 2 o'clock. This devil, this imbecile. So she tell me say me not gonna help and finish. Say now one woman where they call her Mommy Shula, where they Jamie. Now you can't help and finish for YouTube. Now she fight me for my people. So me no know say she get that thing for mind.
You guys the proof of what I want to say now. But this guy, you see, you know one thing about life. When you don't know something, take the thing you don't know. This girl frustrates my life. My enemy not be me. Because my life can never be frustrated. Listen, I tell me she helped me too now, my people. Not be anything about you. Not be YouTube. Where he has to do with YouTube, but not be my YouTube channel. No. See what I want to where I don't understand when I ask her all my people, make I show una. Oh God. Human being. That's why. Me to even ask favor now. I know they I go be kind. It's just sure now they follow, I go get what I want. See mo now thumbnail maker. Now this what they call.
And God knows say I help her do everything for the beginning to the end. She was desperate to get money for YouTube. You can't walk. That pain when a day, they cut on her hands. So government not they see who to help. You know? Now say, I help this woman. If you when I will go work, come back in the morning, I go sleep some more. I go help her everything for YouTube. I mean the help her. Now say seriously, now say now good, I go care. Until one day I can't get problem with one of my evil and sister Esther Usaze wey dey Jamie husband snatcher. That wish carry my matter go give her. That time so I don't know say she gets bad mind towards me. Not be only she the evil sister carry my matter go give, she give to other different presenters. We just talking 1 day, 2 days, that was it. They just forget about it. The day when the rest they talk about and evil dirty Izobo audio run command, they do darkness video for her YouTube. She say me, I dey live fake life. I be this, I be that. Nothing what she not so. I saw the video, now arrest. That was last year, April. So after like 4 months, this lady brought back again the issue of recording. Say my sister, the evil sister, wey first send give her, she not plan that time. When the thing the odds, she not play the audio. Now when the thing don't calm down after 4 months, before she come back, carry the audio command, come the play. My people, that day somebody called me say that they play your audio, say they every quarrel with that evil husband snatcher where they Jamie say matter doesn't calm down. 4 months now you see carry matter go give this dirty woman. Don't upon deny say she not give her. Now when the thing new start, then be give her, make she do this something she not do on that time. She surprised, say she can't play the audio now. Now dear, I come out from my Facebook, can't talk to her, I can't put her name. At that time, this idiot just lost her dad. She no more her dad though. Now I enter life with my Facebook page. Now I say, audio, what is your problem? Where problem where? Era that who? So you don't feel the pain of your dad. Now audio of Unda. Now you can't play. Now say audio, don't let this lady put it for trouble. Now so she be na me know her, Esther, Osaze, Ojekia, husband snatcher. Now me know what she be. Now say stay away for this family issue. Let me and she deal with each other. We don't carry ourselves come out for social media. As far as say I stand for the truth, now the truth are the talk. If you like, you they kill me. I must stand for the truth. Only that word now tell this lady. I'm not even insult her. I'm not call her names or whatever. Before me finish video, she don't run comments. She don't run comments. Put my name. Say Jennifer the barrel woman. Say Jennifer the barrel woman. Many people for this social media, they know how the thing starts. I, Jennifer, I never insult your children for day one. I know say you are a liar. You have this sickness they call bipolar disorder. People when they couldn't forget something. I know say you are depressed because you get that depression in you. You feel go through domestic violence with your man where you born for. That's a Urobo man where you born for. And the man they beat you that time until you put the man for prison. I understand that. Say you get depression. That is why if you no one can't wait, you will forget, say, now you feel talk to somebody. Later, you somebody, they cause your children. If anybody for this live video, be you presenter, be you commenter, be you fans or followers, go and bring any video where I say insult this woman children first. I will give you £500. I'm not joking about it. I will give you £500 cash. Any country where you dare go post them. Go and bring that video at. If I do video, I know they delete any of my video. Every video where I do concerning this woman, it did my Facebook page. I know they delete. And only she delete all the videos which they call her daughter barren woman or insult her daughter or insult her children. I never insult this woman's children. And if na me fair insult your children for this social media, for this live video, may the head of your 4 children torment me, kill me. May your head kill me. May the head of everybody where they watch this video, may their head kill me. May the innocent head where they come this life, where they need to come this life, where they fed this life, may the head kill me. No, I never fair insult your children. You don't mock me reach 4 or 5 times. Call my enemy a Ganoma beer before I can tell you say or more boy wa load no more la. May all the innocent head where they come this life kill you. May your 4 children head say kill you. May une auto boy. May the head where they watch this video, may they say kill you. May all the women where they pray to God, may God give them the fruit of the womb. May the head kill you and torment your audience. Make your own man who we are fian where you no red bomb because you were fian is when no red bomb. The evil may do live with them, not after them. You see, as I take cause this cause so to show say I'm a truth teller. I don't lie if I the judge because juju day and God day. Don't think say you carry Bible where God want to strike you, he will strike you down. God can give you time, but you must receive your punishment. So this woman rush out. I gonna be a barren woman. One woman call her. That day I want go work. One woman call her. If many of them go still remember that first video where she take comment, she not show her face. She do that next video which today calls her daughter. One woman come call us. This woman, this girl not cause you for a live video. She say make you stay away for the family matter. Say make her ex sister not go put it for trouble. So she never even calls you. Why you call her and Ganoma beer? She called the phone for the woman. I say get out. And I watch the video. I laugh. Now I just bath. Enter my car. Now they drive. They go walk. I'm not a lazy person. You know. After she don't do that video, another time again, she can also do another video. Say me. I put what's it called? Say whether she and Lolo they quarrel. I be Lolo post a fake prophet daughter picture put for Facebook. Me come post something for my Facebook page. Say anybody not fit post anything again for page. She say why me right time? Say me they support Lolo. So now that one she can't enter my body again. That night she see come out na darkness video. Una will be CID for social media. Una know na. That day I respond to her. If na still remember. So that was the 3rd time when she mocked me with child bearing. Now that night we I talk to her, I not even insult her children. The only thing we I talk now say, oh Dion, no we do bolo now say omo bue. Wa lo de no omo dan la. Now say, it's in fact, it's only a senseless human being. Stupid person or zwar. Now go to mock somebody with childbearing. Because you are not God. Who are you to pronounce a words towards somebody else's life where God Almighty have not declared to come to pass? Who are you to tell someone else that he or she can never have a child? Are you God? And where you have your own, you have your own children. If that person is an evil person, he or she will go and kill yours. Remove your children out of the planet of the earth. There are people like that. They don't care. They go throw away soup and pots. There are people like that. Do they talk anyhow? when you know that you don't even have no power to create life, talk less to hold somebody womb, not to have children. Are you okay? Are you normal? Nothing where this woman not talk that day. No cause. She calls her children. One talk. She said she go post my address. As far as say me say anybody can post anything. She go post my address. How the address say coming back. Now somebody will be say she want buy Slimmy tea. That time this one they say all this fake Slimmy tea. People don't know that time. And because of that time I dey slim. If I dey do my live video, many of my friends say, Jennifer, what you they use? I'll say I know they use anything. I say, but I dey see one lady, this Mugu Love. She did advertise Slimmy tea. I would refer them, go give her. I will not do bad. So this one come to say okay, she want buy Slimmy tea. I can't call her say somebody want buy Slimmy tea. How much? She say 75 euro. Niger money na 30k. Now so okay. Make she bring the Niger accounts. We can't transfer the money to a Niger account. I can't give her address where she'll take post the Slimmy tea. So she can't feel say that address na me get her. Hello. See, I'm not a brag person. You know, for the time when they coming for video call, you'll say, hey, my lady, now much on you they stay. Oh, if now another person who they do live video, now they this kind of house, hey, nobody go they talk again for social media. I'll say no, I'm not like that because I'm too low key. I know I'm just low key. This house, not be council house, not be government property, not be rents, and not be mortgage. It was brought and paid cash by my husband. And the number of this house, where they did this house, my number 18, which it represents my date of birth. If not that now, I will come out now, I'll go show now. Let me go and show you guys. But the address where she post come out was number 29. Shapa Road. The one with me to stay, number 18. Me and come out, me and show now the address. Okay, guys. Me and show now. Guys, you can see on the door with this one. Let I just open the door. You see, this is number 18. You can see? Okay. That is me and my husband. You can see us there. Okay. I open and just see him. I just lock the door back again. I open and see him. I told her there. See him. I can see my address, number 18. The one where you post, now 29. So that day I was 3 months where she post the address. But she's very stupid. She's very dummy. You where say you they do business, you go to carry person address. Address with somebody, they follow you buy something. Because you they angry. You they vex for that person. You go post and comment. You mumusha. Now that one I make me vex. I report her for police for year. They give me a reference number. The case still dey pending. Anytime I go Spain, I must go that area. Go report her for police here. The reference number where they give me here, I'll carry her go. Inside there, now I take vest, now I take key a business. I keep that business down. I can't go deep into that stupid fake tea, which they say, it comes like now, fake. I know say Monica and Gladys felt do one, but It not be like the way me take enter. I enter as Zanzara, I carry everything, come everything. In fact, it was terrible that period. Yes, it was all fake. Those things which they sell 75 euro or 2 euro for online. There's one particular one which they had. You don't feel they bring that thing. That thing they damage kidney because she look for money. Audio, you say me they live fake life. Audio, I beg next time if you want to play my records or any record where anybody will send give you, then an evil sister, I beg ask me. I will give you money. You will see plan. So upon all the record where you play, where Osaze that shower send give you, you not see nothing. Come my year Jennifer Audio. Come my year Aga, barren woman, wombless. You call me all sorts of names. It not pay me. But one where you talk, where you can't talk, say me are the flex.